Hey everybody, how you doing? Sean Tierney here from Insights. I'm back from my week of training out of town, and I want to release this video to tell you about the training I'm doing in exactly 1 month right here at Insights in Automation. I think it's probably the best value in training, at least in the Northeast. And let's go over to the website and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So let me switch over to here, and I'm at the automationschool.com. I've just clicked on in-person hands-on training. And I have 4 options for those of you who want to get some hands-on with PLCs. Maybe it's somebody who works for you, who needs to get up to speed, needs to get some hands-on, needs to sit down with an expert and get some training. And that would be all starting on April 21st right here in the Berkshires. We're 1 hour out of Albany, New York, or specifically from the airport or downtown, depending. And I know we already have some students signed up from an hour or 2 away. And they're going to drive in and take the course. Now you have 4 different options here. You can come from one day, especially if you're local. You can come just on the 21st. But we're seeing most people they're doing either 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days. Okay, and you can see the prices right there for the training. There's a discount. The longer you stay, the less the price is per day. And the thing about this is, and you'll see a lot more information down here about the available labs. But before I cover that, let me go to how this works. When you let's say you chose 3 days, so the 21st to the 23rd, right? Each day you get to choose what hardware you're reserving. So maybe on day 1 you want to do Micro 800, and then on day 2 you want to do Compact Logics. You may want to do Compact Logics on day 3 as well. Right? You can choose what you learn that day. Maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you want to do a day of Micro 800 Compact Logics and then the S7. So I don't think you'll find any place else in the world that does this type of training where you can come for the training class and then choose the hardware you're going to use on that day. And of course, yeah, if you wanted to do 3 days of Compact Logics, you can reserve that equipment for 3 days, okay? But in any case, you could come for, 3 days or 4 days of any of these, right? But I wanted to make this because I teach both, Rockwell and Siemens. I wanted to make it easy for people to choose what they wanted to learn on. And I know there are some techs out there who are supporting both Rockwell and Siemens. I wanted to give them an opportunity that they'll get nowhere else to learn Rockwell and Siemens or Siemens and Rockwell the same day. And I should mention that, right? So if people are picking, 2 days of Compact Logics and then 2 days of Siemens, you may just notice that I run out of Compact Logics here. So you could just invert your choices. Do 2 days of Siemens first, and then do 2 days of Rockwell. So just keep in mind, if you have any questions about that, just reach out to me directly. But I wanted to share this information with you. Now, I only have total of 8 seats in this classroom. I do have the option to go to a bigger room next door, but this is the first open enrollment where I'm letting you reserve the hardware for each day. So I wanted to make sure that, everything's working out. The website was designed correctly, and I'm still writing the labs. I want to have labs. I got over 16 distributed IO sections, or you can see it on the table here, all kinds of equipment for you guys to play with while you're here. So I want to make sure all those labs are written and printed and available on every station, so that, if you're at a Rockwell station, you get Rockwell labs. If you're at a Siemens station, you get Siemens labs. There are some people who sell some off-the-shelf stuff, but I didn't want to use that because it doesn't follow with my curriculum, right? And yes, I'm not just going to stick you in a room and have you on training all day. I'm also going to be doing lectures. So there'll be an introductory lecture. So if you've never touched this stuff before, I'll walk you through that. I'll do a demo. And then we'll also have a couple of higher end lectures throughout the day, both for Siemens and Rockwell. And so if you sign up for Rockwell, you get those. If you sign up for Siemens, you get those. But in any case, I did want to go back to the lab choices again. So let me pull that up here on the screen, and then let me switch back over to the computer. And so no matter what hardware you're at, you're going to have choices of 4 labs, okay? These are big binders that have all these labs in them. And the first one's going to be PLC Basics or PAC Basics. And basically that's for somebody they've never really had much time programming or troubleshooting a PLC or a PAC. So this takes them from scratch, getting everything set up, and then walking through some, basic type labs. And then we have the Beyond Basics. That's for those who want to learn a bit more about, or maybe they're really fast at going through the labs so they can get through all the basics labs, and now they want to go beyond the basics. Then we have Mastering Applications with Factory IO. And with that one, what we're doing here is, and I notice I got a typo here, I got to fix. But with that one, what we're going to do is you're going to be able to try to solve the Factory IO application. So I have a license for Factory IO for every computer. And so you're going to try to solve those applications. And the lab will walk you through the code that I use in my courses to solve those applications. That's probably a full day. Depending on how fast you go, you could spread it out into 2 days or probably do it in a half day if you just want to whiz through it. But to truly understand each and every one of those, you're probably looking at a full day just on Factory IO. And that's really for those people who want to start doing some programming, not just do troubleshooting and understanding, but they want to actually solve applications. And then, of course, we have the distributed IO labs I talked about, which, we got 16 different distributed IO right in the middle of the room here. So, I got Point IO, I got Flex IO, I got 1769 IO, I got, a bunch of different products from IFM, I got and PNF, and then I got a bunch of different Siemens IO. We get the ET200AL, we get the ET200 EcoPN, we get the ET200SP, got several different ones of those. Even have a 1500 that's in the SP format. So just lots of the stuff you've seen on the channel over the last several months. It's all available here for hands-on. So if we do run out of space on the first day, I will open up, or if maybe some of you say, hey, I can only come on the 22nd through the 24th, just let me know. I'll add that to the system. I just didn't want to go crazy with 10,000 different pod numbers. So they all start at the 21st and then either go 1, 2, 3, or 4 days. So in any case, if you have any questions about that, reach out to me. If you go over to the automationschool.com, that's where I am right now. You'll see on the top the pre-sales email, the phone number to leave a voicemail. You can submit a question right here. You can even book a meeting. I actually have a meeting in a little bit with somebody who wanted to talk more about this. And of course, as always, if you needed custom training, like the training I just got back from where I trained, what did I train? I trained 18 different people on the basics of compact logics. We can talk about that. We can actually do a course for your people right here. We're actually talking to some companies locally to have them in, even just 2 people at a time. We can have you come in and do training just for your company. And, if you need us to sign an NDA and kind of cover your code with the students, we can do that. We typically require a little extra prep time to do that because we have to actually read your code to understand it. But in any case, those are all options. So just reach out to me directly if you want to do that. Now, I also have a channel update coming out later in the week, but I wanted to tell you about this training class that I'm holding. We got over 50,000 subscribers here, so I want to let you all know, there's only 8 seats. We already have some of them filled, but again, we can do different things. If we run out of seats, for the first day or for the first 2 days, we can add in just the second 2 days for anybody just wants to come for 2 days. So please let your people know if they need PLC training, get in touch with me. And with that, that's the end of this update. I want to wish you all good health and happiness. And until next time, my friends, peace.